Hi guys, we are here in Safari Park, Virginia. This was really fun, guys. We're for adults the ticket is $28. For the kids, I think $22. I don't remember. And you can buy that online. Now we're going inside the cave to feeding the animals.
Dito kami guys sa Safari.
Hindi may papalala.
Kabayo guys, ayan na. Binugo niya. Yeah. Oh, look. Oh.
Bit more, bit more. Oh. It's okay. Jacob,
Take care of the lollipop because that's for the bird. Put it on the lollipop for now. Go. Come here. Move. Move.
Oh, wow.
Move.
Wow, come here.
Come.
Here. Come on.
Paano kasi gusto niya damo?
Yeah. Eating flies like stock toys. Wow.
Come here. Here. Ah.
Nakalikan ka. Ito.
Ayaw.
Teka,
Supply.
yung tara, baka lumabas
Oo.
yan sa gitna.
Move.
Ando mo.
Shh. Come here. Ayun, umalis na. Ay, nasa Pilipinas tayo, Kalabaw.
Ang dami namin kalabang pa yan noon.
Well, no animal wants my
Ay, marami pang babalik na kayo.
Come on.
Don't
Come
dare-
on.
No,
Shh,
Mommy.
don't make any noise that.
What a beautiful world.
Come here.
Come here.
Come here.
What a beautiful world. Jacobs are like crushed up. Jacob has one. Ano tayo nasa Bethlehem?
Because it's trying to look better.
It's so cute. Thank you. Nana, ikaw naman Nana, dumukwang ka dito.
Ang layo ko naman. Pamaya, pag-ipon siya.
Hey, Mommy, can I pet the deer?
Take care of the stick because they're thinking it's gonna. Oh.
Pag-ikot natin.
Hey, but you're taking up all the
Tagatin
food.
niya sa
You're taking up all the food.
Goodbye. Maintindihan nga.
Eat whatever you want. Eat more.
Kinausap nga. Kasan ko kay Mara kinakausap na sa salita.
Don't worry.
Come. Come here. It's okay. Come. Come here. Hello. You shake.
Eh, paisa.
Oh, take. Kaylee, you try.
I don't think it's gonna work.
We went out the other side.
They got candles. No, they got candles.
Oh, ang dami pala dito Oh. Doon tayo nakatamay. Ang dami lang.
Here's some pen. Papakain ng frog.
Huwag kayong kumain ng damo pang mahirap yan. Oh, come on. Apo. Ay, yung mahaba leeg, parang kami. Oh, mahirap yan. Okay, you feed him. Shake it, shake it. Shake it, shake it. Shake it. You have to shake it. Ayaw, sok na ado. Isip.
Yeah, but that's
Pwede pa lang isang pagkain na lang lagay natin sa plato.
Milk. Come here, Misty.
Hindi, mura lang naman. 4, ano eh. Be careful to... Ayan, napakainin niya.
Pellet feeds.
Oh, ang galing ni Pet him, pet him.
That's wonderful experience. Take a picture, make picture ka ba?
Ay, ginusto naman niya kainin lahat eh. Hang on, hold on. Ay! Kinain lahat eh. Horn. I think you have to feed on the plates. Give me that.
Come here, little mama.
Yo! Mommy, give me a napkin right now. It's slobbered all over my arm.
Ah, here. It's okay.
Ayaw talaga, bulag.
Baka kailangan eyeglasses. Let him borrow your eyeglasses, si JT. Nana said they're blind, so...
Ay na. Bulag na nga ako.
Baby boy, put some in here. So you put in here. Give me that. Baby. Baby boy. Baby boy. Come here. Baby boy. Baby boy. Ah, natutura ba yan?
Ako natuturay.
I eat this.
Focus on the elephant. Sing to me, sing to me, sing to me.
Licking me.
Ah. Cuckoo.
Anong ibon?
Take all of it.
Hindi ba pwede may music? O sa music?
Oh, yan, pagkakataon nyo na. Ah! Si Nana. Oh, nakachamba si Nana. Ay, Pearl. Hindi, wag na.
Ah, it's Joey. Are you Joey?
May pangalan.
Pangalan pa ng anak ko.
Ah, baka anak mo yun. Ampunin mo na. Labas-labas mo na at napasok sa kotse.
I love it. Yummy.
Nana, labas-labas mo yung pagkain napasok sa kotse. Yung kalat. Ilabas-labas niyo po yung pagkain sa labas. Takot ka ba, Nana?
Hindi.
Baka makagat ka.
Gustong tumungaw dito eh.
Ay, yun nga po. Dumungaw nga ako
Eh,
sa
yung food, hindi dadalhin dito.
Ay, hindi, labas-labas niyo nga po yung pagkain.
Ay, mga yung napuno. Alright, she's looking at me. Yeah.
Bait.
I can be your mom.
Give me some milk.
Right? Might be. You okay?
Oh,
Yeah.
yun pa yung tingin eh.
Mm-hmm.
Parang may sinasabi oh.
Mm-hmm. Yummy. I love it. Right. Yeah, oh. Ay,
Ah, nasa
staring na
mid na.
naman. Nag-i-staring siya, na-stop siya.
Oo nga eh. Painumin.
my God, you're playing his eye! Good job!
Ay, pet mo, Nana.
Halika.
Ipet mo, pet. Hmm.
Tanggalin mo yung rayong ako, ha?
Ibigay mo sa katawan.
Oh my
Pet him, Jacob.
wow. Good boy.
Oh, good boy.
Wow.
Such a good boy.
Boy.
Give to him,
She
Jacob.
looked like a
Give him.
girl.
Give the food.
Yeah. Oh, hi, pretty. Hi, pretty.
Oh, how are you? You're so cute. Ang landi mo.
I'm Nana. Nana. Everybody call me Nana. Inubos na.
Okay. Malayo ba ako, Nana? O nakukadikit yung paa niya? Baka madali ko.
Hang on, baka madali pa. Ayan na, mga kasama.
Okay.
Ito isa.
Mabaitim eh.
Delicious. Hi. Oh my. Oh. Wait, ito. Oh.
Oh.
Tapos manuangan. Ay, wait! Darling, Jacob spill it.
Jacob, don't spill your food.
You tried putting like food into mine, and I didn't want it
Then-
because I knew what he was doing.
There's more animals. And you don't have food later. You're gonna tell me I don't have food and you're gonna cry.
Good thing there's a lot of plants here, but pretty soon in the winter.
Yeah.
Make sure all the doors are locked.
Oh, hello, Jacob. Come here, sit down here.
Yeah.
Don't horn, please. Watch for. Okay, watch out, watch out.
Ganda nyo ng strike, eh? Akala na si
Nanay ka.
ako yung nanay nila.
Okay, Lee, feed him. This all?
Yeah.
Where?
Here, oh.
Jacob.
Why is Jacob biting you now?
Jacob, boy.
Ang zebra,
told
yung
me
pink.
to. I
Yeah,
thought
di ba?
he
O,
told
tingnan
me
mo.
to.
oh.
Asan ang pink? Ganda, oh.
It was Jacob. Stop!
Please hot too.
Pwede ba sumakay sa zebra? Testingin ko.
Can I feed her too?
Yes. You both
Jacob,
feeding.
we put it.
Dali na, taking video. Is there any more food?
Yeah, I have food. Here you go.
No, Scaly, can you feed? Is he still eating or no? Oh, just stop. Jacob, is still eating or no? Is he eating? Oh, get up, get up. Is that eating or no? Oh, it's eating. Watch out your head. Okay, he's done. He's still eating. Oh,
But there was.
okay.
You want some more?
Okay, get
No,
up.
he turned away. Oh, now he's looking back. Ouch.
Oh,
Bansot ng zebra.
Nanay, cellphone mo nandiyan ba?
Eat that Kaylee. I'm good.
Baby girl?
Because he's feeding all.
Hindi, mga baby o mini. Mga ano, sa ano nila yan. Lahi yung jeans,
Perfect.
ano.
Perfect ang ano, oh. Painting ng katawan.
Ganda.
No, eat my food. No.
Baby boy, can you just Kasi gusto dito.
Well, I can see.
Yeah, yung hindi pa siya nakakabakasyon. Diyos ko, takal ano.
Para nagsisisi, gusto na nga yata bumalik eh. Kaso huli na.
No.
I do, not all. Oh, ito. I hindi ako makakaano sa kanya. Nasa daanan na. Okay. Shake. Can you shake the food, please?
You got asthma? Huh? You got asthma?
And
Kakata.
hindi eating.
Yeah.
Watch out the horn to doing your eyes. To forget poke your eyes, please. Oh, he's
Ako, ang dami langaw.
haba naman ng mukha. Ano niya eh.
Come on, over here.
Can you shake?
Ang laki niya, oh.
But look what's happening. No! No!
Don't shout.
Oh, you got more?
Oh, now you're out of food. What did I tell you, Jacob? You see?
Jacob.
Now you don't have. Look, oh, he's hungry. How about this? Give them.
They're very hungry.
That's for the parakeets.
That's okay. Here.
That's for the parakeets.
No, that's
No,
fine.
Mommy, it's seeds. It could be poison.
Don't.
No.
Now they don't.
Nahulog na yung akin.
Nahulog yung sa'yo, Nana.
Oo,
Naku,
wala
baka
na naman
madampot
eh.
ng ano yung
Leftover.
kung ano. No.
Mommy, parakeets fucking me.
Can you just not playing around, please? O, 2 miles na lang dito.
Yeah, it's almost.
Naka-emergency light ba tayo? Ano yung blink?
Hindi po ano po yun, seatbelt. Kasi hindi tayo naka-seatbelt. Nag-warning. Okay lang kayo mag-video dito. Ah, nakalabas na tayo.
We're on top of the hill. Malabas na tayo.
Ay, hindi, meron pa yun sa baba, yung deer. Feed the rest of your food. Feed the rest of your food here.
Yeah, yung mas marami dyan.
Oo, pakain na yung natitira.
Just said there's no get to feed on my side. And there's just a whole entire pack. Get closer and stop right at the deers.
Here.
Hello, Mr. Deer.
Yan, Ana, ang dami mo dyan, oh. So bad for them. Ngayon, hindi tayo makadaan, oh. Hindi nyo ako pinakain. Hindi ko kayo pinadaanin. Oh. What?
She took
She took off my
Too close, they're
She took off my pants and